Hi, this is Joe Angley, Realtor with Metro City Realty, inviting you to our open house event Sunday, June 30th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. right here at 2317 Reading Road in beautiful neighborhood of College Park. This is a 2,300 square foot, 2.5 bedroom property. People are standing in line to see this unbelievable value, and it has a heated swimming pool. So I look forward to this beautiful home is located in the Orlando neighborhood of College Park, which features dining, shopping, and close proximity to downtown Orlando. In addition, this home now offers a buyer incentive of $4,500 towards buyer closing costs. In this property, you can enjoy cooking in your brand new stainless steel appliances in your kitchen with granite countertops, light cabinets, bar, and eat-in space. The master suite is on the ground level with a freshly updated master bath, and additional bedrooms are upstairs with a bonus room that's currently being used as a theater room and could also be used as a playroom. The family room offers handsome travertine tile, wood-burning fireplace, surround with custom built-ins. The attractive French doors allow light to flood the formal dining room and family room while leading out to a spacious lanai and stunning screened-in solar heated pool. Outdoor space has mature landscape for a private, secluded feel. This property is a must-see, and we look forward to seeing you Sunday, June 30th at our open house event.